Hi everyone, this is Erica from the library, and Adam, Monica, and I are so excited to be pairing with you to add these digital citizenship resources to your classes, and we just wanted to make sure that you could get the resources from the group into your course. So what you're going to do in Schoology is click on Groups. You're going to go to Freshman Seminar Teachers for that group. Then you're going to go to Resources there in the Freshman Seminar Teachers group. From there, you're going to go to Freshman Seminar 2021. And then you're going to click on High School Digital Citizenship Resources, LTI Librarian PLC, and click on that. From there, you can scroll through and you can see the sources that are here for you, the lessons that are here. To add it to your course, you're just going to click on the little wheel. You're going to click Add to Course. You can pick the course that you want to add it to. So I'm going to add it to this freshman orientation course. Click Add, and there it will be. So in order to see that, you can go to Courses, and I can go back to the course where I added it, and there it is, the Big Data Dilemma. Thanks so much for listening, and we're really looking forward to working with you. Have a great snow day.